I'm out here today at SeaWorld San Antonio for the opening of Catapult Falls. This is Mike, a couple other people over there, but let's go in and see what we can see. Look at that, they got the fountains on. Can you believe that? And it's an absolutely beautiful day today for opening. Blue skies, not a cloud out. A few clouds would be okay, but this is great. See, they got some signs up. Catapult Falls, Geyser Gulch. They have a few other things over here. Gonna check this out. Catapult Falls, world's first launch flume coaster, all decorated in greenery and things. Catapult Falls, a little photo op, a little green carpet moment, if you will. See, you got a lot of people lined up out here for the opening of Catapult Falls. Got the sign perfectly placed right there. Opening ceremonies getting ready to start. Probably here in about 20 minutes. Very busy. It's definitely a lot of people. I don't know. I probably should have showed up just a tiny bit earlier.
Get a little bit closer. We will start momentarily. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good morning! Wouldn't you agree it is a beautiful day to be here at SeaWorld San Antonio? By the way, happy spring break! Yes, SeaWorld is open for the next 2 weeks. Be sure to tell your friends about it. Speaking of telling our friends, right now you are on a Facebook Live on the SeaWorld San Antonio channel. So let's make some noise to all of our friends. My name is Chuck Carone. On behalf of the entire SeaWorld family, we'd like to thank you for joining us today to be the first people to ride this amazing adventure ride. Now, for months, we have been teasing you, as you probably know, that adventure is waiting. Well, my friends, the wait is finally over. In just a few minutes, you'll be the first to experience the first ride of its kind. Now, 2024 marks SeaWorld's 60th anniversary. Now, folks, that's 60 years of educating people about animals. 60 years of conservation and rescue efforts. And in those 60 years, our parks have seen a lot of changes, including the addition of consumer events and thrilling rides. Now, today, we open a new ride that combines the serene nature of a flume ride with the excitement of a roller coaster. It's going to be an adventure that takes you through the great Northwest. You're going to float down a river, experience some rapids, witness campgrounds, geysers. If you have a keen eye, you might even see a bear crossing. That's B-E-X-A-R. No, nothing to worry. We know that you are going to enjoy it. The site that we're on right now is a historic one. See, in 1991, the Texas Splashdown opened in this very spot, and it was the very first ride at any SeaWorld park. And we had it right here in San Antonio, people, right here. So since we paved the way with thrilling rides at SeaWorld San Antonio, all of the SeaWorld parks have added thrilling rides. And here at our park, Catapult Falls becomes our 11th thrilling adventure ride. And if you pay attention, there's some Easter eggs that are hidden that pay homage to the history of that ride. So you'll look for stuff that says Texas Splashdown. Now, we're moments away from the ride, but I'd first like to introduce to you someone who is very special to us. Our park is amazing. We know we've got a lot of our past members out here. If you're not a past member, what are you waiting for? Become a past member. Our park has an amazing team, and with an amazing team comes an amazing leader. Please help me welcome SeaWorld and Aquatic Park President, Jody Davenport.
Welcome to the grand opening of Catapult Falls. This ride is historic in that it is the world's first launch coaster. It is also North America's first flume ride with a vertical lift. And it has the steepest drop of any flume ride in the world. It's truly one-of-a-kind ride, and we are so excited to have it here at SeaWorld San Antonio. As park president, one of my goals is to ensure that we provide each of our guests with experiences that matter. And we have created a unique experience that you will definitely enjoy. The ride will give you a peaceful moments of floating down the river, as well as thrilling moments of speed and excitement. It is quite an adventure, and I can't wait for you to experience it. Creating an attraction like this requires teamwork within our SeaWorld family. Over the past few years, all of the departments together have come together to create Catapult Falls. I want to give a big thank you to our general services team, operations, landscape, safety, and entertainment, and everybody else who has brought this ride to life. Let's give these hardworking teams a round of applause. Once again, thank you for joining us on this exciting occasion. The wait is over, adventure is just around the corner, and it's officially time to open Catapult Falls.
Thank you, Jody. It's going to be the ultimate outdoor adventure ride. And when you think about adventures and you think about the outdoors and people who personify the spirit of adventure, there's a group of people who come to mind, and that's the Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts of America. Yes. Now, if you look on their website, you can see that the Scouts strive to give young people adventures of a lifetime, and the Scouts promote family fun. An adventure of a lifetime, family fun. Looks like it's a great partnership, the Scouts and SeaWorld. Wouldn't you agree? Yeah. Yes. Well, they are right up our alley, and being that we share these same ideals, we found it fitting to invite members of the local Boy and Girl Scout communities to help us with this occasion. So please help me welcome members of Girl Scout Troop 27, 791 and 14, as well as Boy Scout Troop 485 to help us open this ride. Come on in. We want to thank them for being available, and we want to thank their parents and their troop leaders for organizing this. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you. All right. Now, typically events like this have a ribbon cutting, right? The giant scissors, and you cut the ribbon. But since the Scouts are known for doing what? Tying knots. We thought it'd be fun to, instead of cutting a ribbon, we untie a knot to open Catapult Falls. They're going to hold each side here, and now we'd like to invite members of our General Services, Operations, and our Park President, Jody, to untie the knots, and the Scouts are going to pull the ropes, and that will signify the opening of our ride. So we'll get our members in there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, help us with the countdown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Untie the knot. Ladies and gentlemen, Catapult Falls is now officially open!
Alright, opening day complete. Now heading over to Six Flags to go ride some rides, making it a duel day, you know, SeaWorld and Six Flags. Pretty cool, something new that I'm trying, so follow me. Look at that line on there. That is crazy.
Oh,
got a beer, IPA. Tyler got a
Miller Lite.
Miller Lite.
Yeah,
nice.
They asked if I wanted a lime in it, which you usually get that with Miller Lite, but I was like, yeah, sure, why not? Try something new.
Really wanted to ride Joker, but Joker is closed, unfortunately. Got the swings over here open. Oh, we're gonna head over to Pirates. See if we can get in there, I think it's like a 5-minute wait. Nothing too bad.
Looks very barren for a Saturday. It's really crazy. You would think it would be a lot busier. I mean, this is insane. Usually it's like shoulder to shoulder, people trying to get through, but this is nothing.
It's my first time like testing it out in some dark space. What are you doing? Heading on to Superman of all things. It's very busy. There's a line going back a little ways. Look at that beautiful sky. It's incredible. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. That was a cool day. SeaWorld, Six Flags, all in one. I've never done that before. It was pretty cool. Tiring, you're doing a lot of walking, but it's fun. Try it once. I think it's worth it. And I got this Catapult Falls cup. The first 500 riders on opening day get this Catapult Falls cup, so I got it. It's made out of rubber, as you can see. But anyway, if you liked the video, like the video. If you want to see more videos like this, consider hitting the subscribe button. That being said, have a good day.